Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm the founder of Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the October 2021 Teacher Care Crate. This month's theme is Boho Rainbow. When you first open up your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just tells you everything that comes in the crate as well as where it came from. And it also has your QR code that'll take you to your digital downloads that are included in your subscription, which I'll talk more about at the end. Next, we have our 5x7 art print. This one was designed by Claire Mitchell Designs. It says, "Today is a good day," so it doubles as artwork and also a morning affirmation for you or for your students. Next, we have this French Lavender Spongel. What this is it's a body wash infused buffer, good for 5 or more uses, so also great for travel. This cleanses, exfoliates, massages, and nourishes all in one. Next, we have one of our wearable items this month. Of course, for Boho Rainbow, we had to do the classic Boho Rainbow with the fringe, and this is a little keychain or bag charm. Next, we have a candle. This is from Stroud Simply Southern, which is a teacher-owned business, and it's a really nice all-natural scent with essential oils. Next, we have a little notebook. This is a mini size, so fits really nicely in a teacher bag or even like tucked inside a planner. And in keeping with our Boho Rainbow theme, we have those rainbows on there. And it is lined, so you can use this as a journal, just for keeping notes or just kind of as a scratch pad. Next, we have this month's treats. You guys loved the gummies from Say Bon Bon so much. I think it was in the March 2021 crate we had them. So I brought them back in a different flavor. These are sea turtles. And next we have, well, normally Crinkle comes in the bottom of the box, but this month, because we have this tote bag, we just used this instead. And this is a super cute, roomy tote bag. Says teacher on it with a white boho rainbow. And I love this fabric. This is different from any other totes we've done. This is sort of a chambray heathered blue denim. We also have a laptop sticker this month, and that was designed by Simply Literary, and it's a boho rainbow with Teach on it. So those are all the physical items. And then like I mentioned, you also have, I'm looking for the info card, the link on here to your digital downloads, and then those are also emailed to you. And that includes desktop wallpapers, a bunch of different options. Again, keeping with our Boho Rainbow theme. Something new this month, I've included our Google Slide templates. I know a lot of you like to use those in your classroom. There's a bunch of different options there, so you'll get that link as well. And then we also have this set of printable journaling prompts. Journaling has a ton of great benefits, including reducing stress, so perfect for teachers, but sometimes it can be hard to get started. If you don't know what to write, we have some prompts on here. You can even use that with your little mini journal. So everything that comes in the crate is, you've got your tote bag, your French Lavender Spongel, mini lined notebook, delicious sea turtle gummies, your Boho Rainbow keychain, your Boho Rainbow sticker, your candle, art print, your digital downloads, and of course just your info card. So that is everything that comes in the October 2021 Teacher Care Crate. If you have not already signed up, make sure you subscribe by October 14th at teachercarecrate.com. Thanks for watching.